Hi, welcome to Kiss Kitchen. I'm going to share with you how I turn my turkey into this nice platter for your family. Here we go. Everything is still intact. And basically what I like to do is go right to the breastbone. I'm just cutting this. Just feel it to the bone, to the groove of the bone. Try not to catch that. If you do, take your knife back. Here's the wishbone. Just make sure you get it around this. What you want to do is want to get the whole breast out. Isn't that nice? That is nice. Nice and nice. I like to do the drum by itself because I know where it is. Make sure you check out where the little cartilage here is. There you go. Get that. Easily going in here. Go for the separation. Skip the wing first. You could do it either way you want. See that? Let's get this wing. Excited. Flip it, turn it, dance with it. There you go. All right, let me show you this side first. All right, here's another one. See that? Just follow along that. Just cut it, break it, easy peasy. Look at that. Very nice. This is the best part. This is how I like my turkey. Nicely thick slices in big chunk. See how this is straight and that's in an angle? However you like them, your choice. Or should we say mama's choice and not chef's choice? Separate out the wings. Nobody's going to be able to eat all of that. Some people might like dark meat and white meat. But there you go. Nicely done there. This here, you can cut it any way you want, but I know there's going to be other people who's going to want some dark meat. So you're going to have to cut them up and divide them up for them first. There we go. 2 pieces there. Voila! This one here, because it's in the back of the bone, you give it to the kid that you don't like the most. Get all of this out for you. Save that for the soup. Here, see how much more meat you still have over here? Look at all of that. I don't want that. I want this. And there you have it. You've got the goodness pal. You got your soup pal. You got the one for your guests and the side. Done. Thank you for joining me at Kiss Kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and hope to see you next time.